If you're a pro when it comes to scheduling posts in advance, let me show you a way that you can save even more time by integrating your Google Sheets with Zapier and your SMM tool. If you're not too familiar already with what Zapier is, it's basically a super awesome workflow automation tool that you can connect different apps to, such as Google Sheets and Vista Social, to help maximize your effort. Now that we have that covered, let's take a look at how Zapier with Google Sheets and Vista Social can become your new best friends when it comes to scheduling content. First things first, log in or sign into your Zapier account as well as your Vista Social account. Now, here's where the magic begins. Let's create a new Zap. The first step is to create your trigger. In this case, Google Sheets is the starting app I want to use as my trigger. And for my event, I can choose to be each time a new row is created in my spreadsheet. Next, choose your Google account and the spreadsheet you want to use. You'll need to add a few extra details about the specific columns and rows you want to use from your chosen spreadsheet to complete the setup of the trigger. Now, we're almost done. From here, let's create our action. This is where Vista Social comes into play. Just like in our trigger, add your app and event, which would be Vista Social, and to create a scheduled post. From here, you'll want to grab your API key from your Vista Social account settings in order to connect your account with your new Zap. Now, you can pick which profiles you want your post to be published to, then link the columns from your spreadsheet where your caption, media link, and publishing times are set, and watch how Zapier will send that right over to Vista Social as a scheduled post in your calendar. You can run a quick test once you set up your action to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now, each time a new row is added to your spreadsheet, a new post is scheduled in your calendar. Now, you can schedule your posts 10 times faster while elevating your social media presence. Want to learn some even cooler things you can do with Vista Social Zapier integration? Check out this next video to see how you can schedule posts from your ClickUp account.